Where are you? Artus! Artus! Can I see what you're doing? Where are you? Show me. Where are you? Artus! Artus, where are you? Huh? Where are you? What you doing? Huh? What did you do? Where's your cheese? Where's your cheese bar? You wanna get a bit of cheese? Did you get a bit of it? Can I see? Can I see your bar? You didn't get because you thought mommy will get mad or get angry. You already ate it. Oh, where's your cheese? Did you eat it already? Open mouth. Can I see? There's no more cheese. Papakero ng cheese. Are you a rat? Papakero ng cheese. How about dito? Pumapak ba ng cheese dito?
No.
Just Artus? Huh? Just Artus? What's that? What is that? Okay nga pala, ginaya ka niya eh. Ikaw pala ginaya niya.
Ano kasi ako?
That's for the pasta. Ikaw pala ginaya niya kaya pumapak siya ng cheese. So Artus, get a bar of cheese because nainggit ka kay Tito. Are you a mouse, Artus?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why did you get a raw cheese? Huh? But mommy wants a raw cheese also. Do you know that?
Get mommy a cheese.
Yes.
Get mommy a cheese now.
Yes.
Yes.
How did you get your own Hello. Did you slice it a while ago? Kasi kumuha na siya. Oh my God! Kinat-ngat lang. Oh. Uy! Use a knife! Grabe. Uy, gawain ko din yan nung bata ako.
Cheese. Tumaba ba kayo cheese?
Diba? Ha?
Don't eat cheese.
No. Can I bite also? Uy!